In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in TradingView Mobile Chart. By the end, you'll be comfortable opening a chart, accessing the drawing tools, and placing clean, precise annotations right from your phone. Let's get set up first. Open the TradingView Mobile app on your device. If it's your first time, give the app a moment to load your default watch list. For the smoothest experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection and select the symbol you want to analyze so you're looking at the correct price action before you start drawing. Now move to the chart view. At the bottom of the screen, tap the chart icon. This takes you to the full screen price chart with candles, time frames, and basic controls. Take a second to get oriented. Pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in or out and drag with 1 finger to pan left and right. A quick zoom helps you place drawings more accurately on key swing highs, lows, or zones. Next, access the drawing tools by tapping the pencil icon at the bottom. This opens the drawing toolbar. Think of this as your toolbox. It houses trend lines, rays, horizontal lines, shapes, and other popular tools for marking levels and patterns. If the toolbar covers part of the chart, you can briefly pan or zoom to make room without closing it. Choose the tool you need and place it on the chart. For a trend line, tap the trend line tool, then touch where you want the line to begin and drag to where you want it to end. Lift your finger to place it. If you need to refine it, grab an anchor point to adjust the angle or length. Most tools offer a small settings option right after placement, where you can change color, thickness, or style so your annotations are easy to read. If something doesn't look right, use the undo button to step back and try again. Continue selecting tools the same way. Tap to choose, then click and drag on the chart to draw until your analysis is clearly marked. That's all there is to drawing on TradingView Mobile.